In this video, we'll look into two functions that are useful while creating projects in Help and Manual. 1. Importing projects made using other help authoring tools such as Robohelp, Microsoft Word, etc. into Help and Manual. 2. Using the light and modern styles. First, let us look at importing help projects created using other help authoring tools such as Robohelp, AuthorIt, etc. For this, while opening Help and Manual to create a new project notice at the bottom of the page, options for importing help files created using other help authoring tools and help files made in other formats. To know more information about the help files that can be imported, just mouse over the Import option and details are mentioned in the tooltips. As you can see, you can also import help projects from a variety of file formats, including Microsoft.rtf, compiled HTML, HTML5, and others. To import, click on the option, and you'll be taken to a page from where you can search for the project to be imported. Once imported into Help and Manual, you can work on them like regular Help and Manual projects, and also generate the various forms of output that you can with your normal projects. Next, let us look at 3 sets of styles that you can use in your project files. Do you recall the video on creating a style? Help and Manual comes pre-built with styles that you can use in your projects. If you select Project with Light Styles, Help and Manual offers what it calls light styling, with styles that are already created for you for topic heading, callouts, etc., instead of you creating them manually. Here's a project created with the Light Styles option. The style sheet is dropped into the TOC, and you can browse the various styles, and later you can delete the style sheet from the TOC too. Scroll the topic to get a feel of the predefined styles that you can use in your help files. You can even customize these styles as was explained in the earlier video. And here's a project created with modern styles. Modern styles may look similar to that of light styles, but the styles are different, and as with the light styles, the style sheet is also provided. These styles can also be tweaked. However, for modern styles too, no style sheet is provided. At this juncture, let us remind you that Help and Manual also offers premium and responsive skins for a fee. To find out more about these professional skins, go to the Help and Manual store online in the link displayed in the description below. Finally, let's talk about the project file format checkbox. By default, this comes unchecked, and you can leave it that way. Here, topics are grouped under a separate folder titled Topics. When the box is checked, the project file is stored in XML format, in short, a single file. The result is a zipped file with the extension HMXZ. This format is good for portability and if you are working in teams.